dapat natuto tayo. Precisely, we had this whole WTO and so forth. Remember the tariffs that were imposed by the United States during the Great Depression made things worse, right?
Yeah.
They did that because they thought they could protect na naman jobs, right?
Yeah.
What happened was, at least the way I understand it, is that then everyone started doing it, right? But that's what they call the beggar thy neighbor. You do it to me, I'm going to do it to you, diba? And so everyone loses. And what was happening, if I'm not mistaken, what's happening is yung mga bansa na may mga raw materials, parang kaya naman nila. So they started, moving towards self-sufficiency. But there were countries that did not have that, right? And so Japan didn't have it, parang Germany, I think, and so that's where you started there, that was contributory to the events that, triggered also World War II, things like that. You can trace a path, right? And so I think after World War II, we really learned our lesson, diba? The UN was formed. The UN was formed so that we could talk rather than fight, diba? The World Bank, the World Trade, because we learned the lesson that yung mga retaliatory tariffs na yan, no one wins.